Well, we finally got some rain, and that's a bit more than 1/10 of an inch. Greenhouse is gone. Yeah, it kind of feels nice. It's still very warm. Just nice to be getting a bit of rain. Hasn't really started coming through there yet, but it will. Unfortunately, we found a dead deer out there by the bins today. Some idiot must have came flying down that lane because they nearly cut the thing in half. Must have happened in the middle of the night when we were asleep. We didn't hear it. Alright, see you in the stream.